Hey everyone, welcome to another video of my cooking channel. In this video, we are going to be making some vegan and sugar-free cookies, and they are no bake. And what we will need is some oats, some raisins, and if you don't want to use raisins, you can always use nuts of your choice. Some unsweetened applesauce, 3 ripe bananas, some bean chocolate chips, and this is the back side of the package, and I recommend using the Enjoy Life brand, or you can use the sugar-free chocolate chips too. We will also need some ground cinnamon and some vanilla extract. Alright, let's move on to the first step. And we will need 2 cups of oats. As measuring stuff out, I would recommend pouring some into the measuring cup and then leveling it out and adjusting it to the measurement that you need it to be at. And it should look something like that. And then we're going to put that in. And then we will need 1/3 of a cup of this unsweetened applesauce. And it should look like that. And then we can always scrape it out like that. And then we will need to mash up the 3 bananas and put that in. And put this in. Right there. And then we will need 1/4 of a cup of this unsweetened plant milk. And then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And it should look something like that. Then we're going to put that in. Then we will need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then with the chocolate chips, you don't have to add them if you don't want to. Right, and then we are going to mix all of that together until it is mixed up as good as you can get it. Oh no, shoot, I need to add raisins. So we will need 1/4 of a cup of raisins or 1/4 of a cup of nuts. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, it looks like 1/2 cup, but it's fine. Alright, then we are going to mix all that up. Alright, and once all the ingredients are mixed up, it should look something like this. And then we would need a cookie seed, or else in some wax paper, which is aka parchment paper. And then we are going to spread this out onto cookie seeds like this. And then we are going to take a cookie scooper and then scoop some into little balls like this, and then put it onto here. And then we are going to repeat that until all of this cookie stuff is used up. I'm gonna put a raisin right here. And with this, we want to leave a little bit of space between the edges and in between each cookie. Alright, and then once the cookie dough is on the seed, it should look something like this. And then we are going to place it into the fridge for about 30 minutes or until they are firmed up.